Okay, we're in a street called Rua de Alamanda. So this one is in one Oasis. It's kind of marked by all these tall apartment buildings. And then not too far over there, so Alamanda's near this place called the Veranda. There's Bottles, so it's like a grocery store, restaurants. I think Bottles is a bar and a parking shop, so you can buy your groceries. And a lot of people will live in here. But we're gonna be walking down our Alamanda, which I believe is referenced under almond trees. So we'll show you what that looks like. So let me put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Alamanda. This is kind of interesting. I'll tell you why in a moment, but I up on, like, if you look at Google Maps, I don't think there is at Alamanda, but they have these other streets that don't exist. So I don't know if Alamanda, I don't know if Google Maps is all outdated with some wrong information. I guess it must be. Oh, these apartments look like little mansions. So most of them will be more like those tall buildings in the background. So usually our buildings will look like those. And there's a big community of them. They go in a circle around a park and they call it one Oasis. So it's like an oasis. But this particular Alamanda street looks like little mansions. But there's still construction, so I don't know how new or old it is. I mean, it could be kind of a newer street. It kind of looks like it. Huh. So yeah, they still have all this construction here too, so must be, I don't know what to make of it. Maybe somebody else can let me know. But we're gonna follow this Alamanda all the way down to the there's something called Grand Oasis. So I guess our street is relatively short, maybe, with apartments, like houses. I don't know, those are apartments or must be apartments, I don't know. But yeah, usually our buildings are super tall like that. We'll walk in that direction and we'll try to make sense of it all. Right over there is Hotel 13, that gold building. Used to be all red. So that one was a pretty big project for hotel. Alamanda. And I guess that's going to be the end of the street. A little bit short. See, this whole street has like construction. It goes, there's some bike paths that go all the way over to that way to the ocean. An oasis. I guess that's going to be the end of the street right there. So that'll be Alamanda. So if somebody wants to see what it looks like, this is what it looks like. Go to Alamanda. Oh, in this area, a lot of them are named after like trees, types of trees. So this one might be the almond tree street. All right, there it is. We'll end it right there then.